Hi guys, here I'm again with a new video and with a new stuff on the market, and this video is about headlight restoration. So at the beginning I want to talk about headlight restoration a little bit. There was 3 ways till now for headlight restoration. The first one was it's more for get a glossy surface than restoration. It's the compounding and polishing, and then is more restoration, the way with sanding and polishing, and the longest and the long life way, and the way which takes more time for this job is sanding, prime, clear coat, sanding, polishing. And now we have a new system, new way for headlight restoration. I have saw it on social media, on Instagram, especially the Russian detailer have shared much videos about that, and I was curious, and I have ordered it from China, and I got it. So I have tested. I have now an opinion about it, and so I will share it with you. So what is it? This is it's not coating, it's not polishing, it's only a chemical reaction with the plastic and this material. Okay, how it works I will explain step by step, but there are points in which we must be careful during the work steps. Yeah, but I will try to explain it. I'm sorry for my English, but I have not often the opportunity to speak English, so I miss the practice. I will try. I will do my best. This is a liquid chemical. This is a cup which is working with electricity. It's working like a kettle, water heater, you know. Okay, but the material is not cooking inside. Okay, it will be hot but not cooking. So at first we must sanding on the plastic. Okay, and let me say about this headlights generally. Okay, the headlights from the cars have generally from factory protective layer. Okay, a protective layer for protection for UV rays. Okay, so this layer is harder than the actual plastic from the headlight. Okay, this layer is hard. So this chemical makes a chemical reaction with the plastic, and it smelts the plastic. So, but the chemical is only strong enough to smelt the soft plastic. This stuff is not strong enough to smelt the UV protective layer. Okay? Because this layer is too hard. It's not strong enough. It's only for smelting the soft plastic. That means if we want to work with this stuff, we must remove first the protective layer, this hard one. Okay? We have worked with at first with 500 grit, as you see on the video, with a sanding machine, 500 grit, after 500, 1500 grit for minimize the sanding marks from 500, and after 1500 we have used the 3000 grit sanding paper for minimize the sanding marks from 1500 grit. But I have made the experience on the final step we must use 3000 grit at least. If we use 2000, it's not enough. Fine. it's not enough fine for this chemical. If you want to work with the stuff, you must first remove the protective layer, and you must work on the final step with at least 3000 grit. Okay, it must be fine. We have done our sanding job with 3000 grit on the final step. Then we put this chemical in this cup. We turn it on with electricity. We have to wait that it will be hot inside, and then we see here comes on this opening a gas outside, and this gas makes a chemical reaction on the plastic, as you see on the video, that the 3000 grit sanding marks merge into each other. Okay, and then you have a smooth and a clear surface, plastic surface. It's like magic, but it's not magic. It's only a chemical reaction on plastic. What was important? First, we must remove with raw sanding paper the protective layer, which is hard. Yeah? After we have removed it, we have to reduce the sanding marks from 500 grit or 600 or 320. We have to reduce this sanding marks with a 1500 or 2000 grit sandpaper. After 1500 or 2000, we have to make the final step in sanding job with at least 3000 grit. Okay, you must work really thoroughly on the corners and at the nose, maybe with the hand. Okay, as you see in video. Because if we don't work here on the corner thoroughly with the 500 grit, it means if you don't remove on the corner the protective layer, then it doesn't work here. Okay, and maybe you must then do this job again. So remove the protective layer. Okay, be careful with your sanding job. At final step, use the 3000 grit at least, yeah, and then work with this stuff, not quickly but also not slowly. Okay, do not stay on a place for a long time. Okay, so like this, and it's working. So, and now we have a new issue. We have removed the protective layer, and now we have the soft plastic. Okay, so it's more sensitive like before. That means if I going over with my finger, it's scratchable. Yeah? I make scratches faster than before. Okay, so what can we do? By the way, after this work, when the job is complete, wait 5 minutes or 10 minutes before you touch the headlight. Okay, but it could be that it's still soft. Wait 5 or 10 minutes, better 10 minutes before you touch this headlight. Okay, then my opinion is we have to put you know, there are ceramic coating for plastics especially. Okay, and we could use ceramic coating for this headlight for a protection. Yeah, I know it's not the same protection like the factory, but it's at least it's something. Okay, So if we done our job, sanding and then working with this stuff, it's perfect. We are waiting for 10 minutes, okay, that it will be hard again, and then we take our ceramic coating and 2 layers, 3 layers, as you like, put it on the headlight, and then you have at least a protection layer on the headlight. Maybe it's more durable, without protection. Okay, this was it from my side. I hope you liked the video. I hope it was informative for you, and hope to see you in another video again.